He's gonna trip on the way back. I can feel it. That was a nice intro, my guy. You see what I did there? You see what I did there?
What's up, my guy?
Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box.
Oh boy.
Yep, that's official now.
Can we share those?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, thanks for welcoming me in. I wouldn't have known where we were without the shirts on.
We're on What the Fuck is in the Box. Yep. Oh yeah. No, mine's under here too. Mm-hmm. This is our final episode in our series of Spyclops episodes.
It's not going to be the final one.
No, it's fine.
The way that Spyclops Pro does their product, we will be seeing more.
They will be back.
Exciting products from Spyclops Pro.
They will be back.
They're not gone.
What did you bring today?
They went nowhere.
Yeah, they went.
Sorry, we brought some mini turret cameras.
Turrets. Not a dome. Eric, tell us about these turrets.
What? All right. So these are the dome cameras, right? They call them turrets. It says turrets on here, but I snorted. But these are the dome cameras, and both of them I think are white. We didn't bring a gray one, did we?
Really?
To show the difference. That's what I said.
You sit on a throne of lies.
So the dome cameras are inconspicuous, right? They don't stick out like the bullet cameras. And you can hide them just about anywhere. They've got the mini version, they've got the larger version. They contain most all of the same features that the bullets do. So they're great in just about any environment.
And they do have slightly different specs. The larger camera has a little bit more flexibility on the frame rate with higher resolution, but very slight. You can look the specs up on the product sheets though, but they are slightly different. But yeah, dome style is a very popular camera. It's used a lot in commercial and residential. Mm-hmm. So these are pretty versatile. They typically a dome, one of the bigger differences, once you go inside, people typically like using the domes more than a bullet type camera. The bullet cameras look a little bit more like an outdoor camera, but these can be used indoor or outdoor.
Yeah, I would agree with that. And these hug the ceiling. Generally, you can wall mount them, you can put them on the ceiling, but that's another reason that a lot of people use the dome is you don't necessarily need the visor that comes on the bullet cameras.
That's true. I love a hugger.
A hugger?
I'm a hugger.
Not getting one from me, pal. I know that's where you were going. I can see the desperation in your face and your voice, but you're not getting a hug from me.
You're no longer my guy.
This is a drill template.
Mine's bigger.
All right. We are going downhill on this episode fast, my friends, and I apologize to you on behalf of my co-host, Drew the Fish Fisher, for the inappropriate language and stuff.
That's fine.
Break it out, son. Hey, look at these wire nuts. Look at these wire nuts.
Wire nuts, huh?
Yeah, those are awesome.
Those are nice.
Super cool wire nuts.
Those are nice.
So these have the feature where you can do the pinch and zoom on the DVR, right? I think we probably mentioned that in the bullet episode, but that's one of the super cool features is the autofocus on the camera.
Yep, they do have the autofocus on them. They do have the IR, so they work in the daytime and nighttime. And they do have multiple wire paths. So unlike your bullets that they just kind of have one wire path. I can't even focus when you do that. I wonder if they can hear the creepy noises it's making. So you can actually run the wire any direction you need to, which is really nice and convenient when you're having to install these.
Lost them, folks. That's right.
Still here.
The wire channel path. Exactly.
Yep. See, it's flat.
So this is one of a handful of different styles of cameras that you can get from Spyclops Pro. That is a huge benefit of working with this vendor is the variance of different cameras, the different resolutions. They're not specific to the Spyclops brand of DVR or NVR or XVR. You can actually use this with any brand. It's got the QR code on the back of these, right? So that's that easy setup feature. There's very little configuration that anybody has to do with these. Yep. Literally plug and play at this point once you download the app.
I think we said it right there, both PoE or can be powered if you'd like to power them. So either way that works. Mm-hmm. 5 megapixels is the max resolution on these, correct?
My understanding.
All right. What other features you got? You got anything else? Are we missing any features
here? No, but it probably makes sense to talk again about Spyclops Pro and the changes that they made, right? So they went through a lot of effort just recently to make these cameras easier. The autofocus feature is new. The app has a lot of really cool new features. If If you're not already familiar with Spyclops Pro and you haven't seen their app, it's a free app that you can download. Android and iPhone, right?
Yep.
Apple, I think they say nowadays, the kids, right?
Yep. iOS.
iOS. Oh,
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
You're all about the technical terms. So that's the cool thing about Spyclops. Their tech support is also fantastic. We've done a few other episodes on Spyclops Pro. If you haven't seen them, it's probably worth hitting the rewind button and checking them out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They are IP67 rated.
Yeah.
I think so. Outdoor, obviously rated. We didn't talk about this in any other episodes, but it is 20 meters for their night vision, which is nice. Give or take 60.
How many feet is a meter?
I think 3.
How many inches?
36.
How far can you jump?
3 meters. I don't know. I'm making things up now.
All right, but we get to give these away to somebody, don't we?
Yep. All you gotta do is comment with your dealer name or number. Either one will work as long as we can identify you. Eric likes jokes, even though he can't tell any. They're all bad.
That's
But
not
he still
true,
likes
Drew.
them. This
That's
is
not true. I'm still looking for the guy that stole my copy of Microsoft, by the way. When I find you, I'm going to get you. You have my word.
Yep. See? Bad jokes.
That's a good joke.
Constantly
I
bad.
just told it and everybody laughed. That's the only reason nobody's laughing right now.
Thank you to Jesse and Ray.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We appreciate you. Sorry for the bad jokes.
Sorry that
We're going to give your stuff away, though.
Yep, we're gonna.
It's not because we don't like it. I would keep it myself.
We're gonna give it away.
We're going to give it away. Like, comment, and subscribe.
We appreciate
And
you.
send me some funny jokes.
We appreciate you. We love you. Bye, guys.